Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best tea steepers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is House Again Tea Ball Infuser and Cooking Infuser. If you like the look and vibe of a tea bag, but you're making loose leaf tea, then House Again Strainer is the best of both. It's a tea ball, which means you fill the capsule with loose leaf tea and submerge the whole thing in hot water. The strainer can be retrieved via its 4.7-inch chain, which hooks onto the edge of the mug. It seals tightly and has extra fine mesh holes, so none of the leaves will leak out. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, and you get not one but 2 of them with purchase. Better performance, reasonable price. Each pack includes 1 screw lid, 1 extra fine mesh cup, 1 saucer for avoiding making a mess when taking out. All the parts are made of 18/8 stainless steel. Easy to clean and dishwashable. Unlike traditional tea ball or twist lid infusers, our tea strainer features threaded connection design that you'll feel easier to open and close when using. Besides, it seals more tightly so tea leaves will not leak out during the process of brewing. Perfect for making cold brew coffee each morning. All you do is use the infuser and fill it halfway with coarse ground coffee and steep overnight at room temp for 12 hours. Number 2. Our second best pick is OXO BREW Twisting Tea Ball Infuser. Infusers with handles offer a couple advantages over conventional tea balls. They are easier to control when steeping and are less likely to make a mess. The OXO BREW Twisting Tea Ball Infuser is our top pick in the category because it takes these advantages and adds a few unique touches of its own. Most notable is the twisting handle that opens and closes the infuser ball. It's a smooth and simple mechanism that sets the item apart from other handled infusers. We're also big fans of the sleek and elegant design, accented by the black handle. Many tea infusers can be purchased at a cheaper price, but the OXO model is affordable nonetheless. Plus, it's made from sturdy stainless steel and non-slip plastic. OXO backs all of its products with a lifetime guarantee. Twisting feature makes filling with a large amount of loose leaf tea a breeze. Long, stainless steel neck accommodates most cups and mugs. Works best with whole leaf teas, such as pearl teas, full leaf green teas and large leaf black teas. Also great for herbs and spices. Soft, comfortable, non-slip grip. Dishwasher safe. BPA free. What we like. Quality materials. Unique opening mechanism. What we don't like. Holes too large for some teas. Number 3. Our third best pick is Genuine BREW Whale Tea Infuser. Make tea time a whaling good time with BREW Whale from Genuine BREW. The Whale Infuser is constructed from BPA-free silicone, which is soft, food safe and tasteless, so it won't affect the taste of your tea. Simply fill with your favorite loose leaf tea and then submerge into the hot depths of your teacup. When the steeping is complete, just use the water spout to help Big Brew breach the surface. The silicone construction is easy to clean. Fill Fred and Friends legendary BREW Whale with tea leaves and submerge into the hot depths of your teacup. When the steeping is complete, just heave on the waterspout handle and help her breach the surface. The out of the water spout stays cool, allowing you to safely remove the infuser without burning your hands. Make tea time a whaling good time with Fred and Friends. Food safe silicone makes an ideal, easy to clean infuser that is oceans of fun to use. So, this infuser is a godsend, small enough for easy storage, but big enough to fill with loose leaf tea. It's so easy to clean and dries even quicker. Well made, brewed in minutes and doesn't affect the taste of the drink whatsoever. Not much more you could really want or ask for. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hick Herald Import Company Hick Mesh Tea Infuser. Hick's Mesh Snapball Tea Infuser makes it quick and easy to steep a fresh, more distinct and flavorful cup of loose leaf tea with the same ease and convenience as using store-bought tea bags. Simply squeeze the spring action handle to open the snap ball. Fill the ball halfway, about 2 teaspoons, with loose tea to allow the tea leaves room to fully expand. Place the infuser, ball end down, into the cup and pour in hot water. Steep no less than 3 minutes to release the naturally occurring essential oils in tea and maximize the infusion with aroma and flavor. Once desired brew strength is achieved, remove the infuser from the cup and discard the used tea leaves. Great for making mulled cider, too. Just fill the infuser with mulling spices instead of tea. Made from 18/8 stainless steel, his mesh snap ball tea infuser is reusable and more economical than using store-bought or single-use disposable tea bags. Compact to store away easily. Easy to fill and empty. Just rinse clean or pop it in the dishwasher. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is YEOSEN Tea Infuser Ball. Tea Infuser Ball is made of thicker 18/8 stainless steel. Never cut corners. No matter how the extrusion will not deform the tea strainer fine mesh. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Tight threaded connection design. Stainless steel tea strainer is different from the traditional loose leaf tea strainer. The smooth metal threaded connected can be easily get the lid unscrew and never stuck on thread. Tea strainer fine mesh holes prevent the slag while retaining the natural flavor of loose tea. The loose tea and spice will not be scattered during soaking. We also give tea strainer trays to avoid seeping liquid anywhere when the loose leaf tea strainer large is taken out. If you are looking for the best quality at an affordable price in the list of top best tea infusers, then this one may attract you. The infuser of YEOSEN works quite well. It is equipped with extra fine holes which can keep most tea leaves inside while steeping and brewing loose tea. However, those holes seem to be a little bit large compared to other products, thus, some tea specks can still escape and mix with the drink. This model is easy to clean since the infuser can be washed by dishwasher. But you can just rinse it under cool water to remove the leaves and you are ready for the next time because leaves rarely get stuck to its mesh. Shortly, this infuser is perfect for a single person to use. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.